Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and I have received a request to make a video on the Deloitte hiring that how to apply for the job. This is the video for this. If you are facing any issue for applying for this customer support analyst, then you can refer this video and I will show you how to apply for this job. If there is any issues which you are facing, then that will be resolved. So stay tuned to the video and watch it properly. Okay, so first of all, the link will be in the description box. So you need to click on the link and then click on the apply now button. After that, you will receive two options that you have already registered with Deloitte or you are the first time applicant. So I am not registered with Deloitte. If you are registered, then you can just log in by providing your email address and password here. I'm not registered candidate, so I will create my profile here. And when I click on the create profile option, so these are the five step given. They are not like there is profile creating and by that your application will also get submitted. Okay, so there are three options for selecting your resume. You can apply with LinkedIn, so whatever resume or whatever profile information you have given in your resume, that they will take. Now upload with a resume and copy and paste your resume. Okay, so you can choose any of these things. Okay, I will just randomly choose anything. So I will apply with my LinkedIn. So I will click this option. So this is the last for confirmation. So I will click OK. And after clicking on that, this will take some time. So now the personal information has been taken. No, this is for personal information. I'm applying from a Jobker page. So the first name has taken as Jobker. Okay, so and the last name is placement because my LinkedIn page is Jobker placement and the email ID is also taken there. This is the number they are asking for and you need to give your number here. Now this is the address. Okay, so I will provide just any address and with that you need to apply for this and yeah, I have select my address and I will select my state after that. So state is Madhya Pradesh, so this is that gender will be female. Okay, your bachelor's degree, so complete all the field marked with the asterisk. So are you pursuing or already have completed graduation in degree? So I have pursued my graduation in which college. So there I need to select the college. It may be give your college name. I'm searching that. Mm, it is giving no result found. Okay. So when I'm searching for my college name, it is giving no result found. So I have searched for other and there is option for other. So you can choose other. Now, if others, then please name your college. So I will provide my college name here, which is Jabalpur Engineering College. So this is my college name. Then which city you are college located. So give your college city name. Then after that, what was your stream or branch specialization? So choose your branch and I'm choosing just random anything here and education label you can choose any degree. Okay, now year of completion will be I will choose anything. Okay, I will choose 21. No, I will let me check. You can choose anything. I'm choosing this month only. Now post graduation, so if you have done any post graduation, because anyone can apply for this job, so if you have done post graduation, then you can fill that information also. If you have any work experience, so you can fill like that according to your. Now if you are a fresher, then you can fill any here. Employer will be uh, let me check if it has any options. Okay, so it does not have any options. You can try to choose other. Now yeah, other is given, but now they're asking for employer other. So you can if you are a fresher, in that case only you choose a student, and a start date will be, you can choose any date. Okay, because they have not like the field are mandatory, so you need to give here. Okay, so in case of fresher, in case of experienced person, you need to share your experience here, but in case of fresher, you can give a student at the employer type. Okay, current job is no. Okay, and date you can choose anything here. Okay, because these are the mandatory fields, you need to fill that. Okay, immigration information, so do you hold an Indian passport, then choose accordingly. If you have, then yes, otherwise no. Do you hold a US work permit? So no here. And Deloitte alumni information, are you a formal employer or Deloitte India, then choose no. Password, so you need to give your password here. I'm giving any random password because you are like I'm creating my profile here. If you have already profile, then you can just log in and complete the application. Okay, so as we have given all information, click on this I acknowledge button and save and continue. And yeah, it will take some time, so wait till the next page come. Now the next page is job specific question. So how did you heard about this job? So you can choose anything. Now job submission details. So your resume, your cover letter, your candidate picture, and other attachment. If you want to give any other attachment here, you can give that. Okay. So I have chosen my resume, cover letter, and candidate picture. And for other attachment, it is not compulsory, so you can leave that. Okay. Now location preferences. You need to give two location preferences, that after if you get selected, then in which location you want to work. So these are the location: Bangalore, Chennai, Gurugram, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai, Pune. I will choose Pune first location and Bangalore my second location. And what percentage of time are you willing to travel? So how much you can travel, you can give that. So up to 75% I can travel. Now click on save and continue, and after that your next page will open. So now they will ask for in the next page they will ask for some additional information, and do you have any professional certificates? So click on yes or no. And employment profile, so what is the total experience of work? So you can choose accordingly. If you are a fresher, choose 0. Your current CTC, so I will give here 000. And your fixed salary will be 0, and your bonus will be 0. In case of fresher, I'm filling this form. If you are an experienced person, then you need to give the details accordingly. And additional bonus or stocks, so you can choose no. And what is your notice period? So you can choose 0 days in case of freshers only. And what is your expected compensation? So you can choose your salary, what you are expecting. Let's say I'm filling 3 LPA, so I have filled 3 LPA here. Now you can click on this save and continue button and wait for it. Now that you have come to the last and last page, so this is the review and submit of application form. So please review the information below to ensure it is accurate and complete. Once you have reviewed, please select submit to finalize your application. So you need to see that you have given all the details correctly or not, and this is all the details, your work history, attachments, and whatever information you have given, then you need to submit. Okay, submit the application, and for the next whatever information or whatever things, say the page have come, thank you for applying, and you can check the status of your application and profile. So if you click on this profile, then you can check your application of status of application. Okay, and yeah, this is all. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I'll be really happy to help you, and if you have more doubt, you can comment any doubt. Okay, and also if you feel any difficulty anywhere, then please comment me in the comment section. I'll be really happy to help you, and you can also suggest any topics if you have in your mind and you want to clarify some topics, then you can also suggest those. So this is all for today's video. Please share this video with anyone who can get help from this, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, please take care of yourself, and do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We really need your support, so please support us by subscribing and liking the video. Bye bye.